Ati mwiriwe mwese.
Good evening, everybody.
Ati mwiriwe mwese.
So my name is Stephanie First. I come to give welcome this new family in this our.
Ati jewe nitwa Itekane Kifesterisi inje guha ikaze uno muryango mushasha. Ati nanje nk'umwana mutonya, ati nanje nk'umwana mutonya wa Abel na Delisi.
On this extraordinary day of Downing,
ati kuri uyu munsi mwiza cyane w'igitangaza wo gukwa Delisi.
A day of joy to everyone is here.
Umunsi w'umunezero ku muntu wese yashitse muri kino kibanza. Atumusi batazigira bibagira Delisia na Abel batazigira bibagira ndari mu buzima bwabo.
And I'd like to beg you with clapping for a God's.
Ati nashaka mumfashe bikomera amashi Imana ati yo yazigamye Abel na Delisia.
And fulfill what he promised to them.
Ati kandi gashitse rino sezerano yari yabemereye. Abavyeyi ba Delisia n'abavyeyi ba Abel ati bo batunganije bino birori.
Secondly, I'd like to congratulate the parents who organized this amazing day. Too much once again.
Ati ugira ko ndashimiye abatunganije bino birori ati hano cyane ati nka Innocent Pastor Innocent.
And you don't Delisia. You know you were organizing home activities, but from today God changed your story.
Ati wowe Delisia urati ko usanzwe urangura imirimo kwa papa na mama wawe atari ko guhebye umwanya Imana guhindura amateka.
You are going to continue your life to your husband's Abel and to grow there.
Ati ugiye kubananiriza ubuzima busigaye kwa Abel ati kandi niyo zokurira.
And you don't Delisia and Abel. We wish you this right thing.
Ati wewe Delisia na Abel turabipfurije bino bintu bitanu.
May God remind you to be humble in front of your husband and the parents in love, because a person is a fruit obeying rules.
Ati wewe Delisia uzoca imbere uzoce bugufi imbere y'umugabo wawe ati hamwe n'abanyoko bukwe n'abasohokwe ati kuko ishami rishashe gushurika yubaha imizi.
May God forgive you boys and girls into your family.
Ati Imana izobaha abakobwa n'abahungu mu nzu yanyu.
May God will give you what to share with others and what to keep into your house.
Ati Imana izoguha ibyo musangiza abandi n'ibyo musigarana mu nzu yanyu.
May God will pass you the way where unexpected.
Ati Imana izobacira inzira aho mutari muziteze.
May God will make you a wise woman, because wise women make strong and family, but stupid women destroy her family with her hand.
Ati wowe Delisia ati Imana uzogira ubwenge mu rugo rwawe ati kuko umugore w'umunyabwenge yubaka urugo rwe akarukomeza atari ko umugore w'ikijuju arusambuza amaboko yiwe.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Ati murakoze cyane Imana ibagirize neza.
Before I conclude my speech, I'd like to congratulate Jeff is here.
Ati mbere yuko ndangiza ndashimiye Jeff yaje gufasha Innocent mwari no rubanza yo bari ngaho.
Chief of Hotel.
Ati ari nawe asanzwe ari wo chef wa hoteli ya Hotel Plateau Hotel.
And we thank the parents who organized this amazing day.
Ati nkashimira nabo abavyeyi batunganije bino birori.
And we thank the mothers and the children who are here
turashimiye cyane abakobwa n'abahungu abamama n'abapapa mwese mwaje gukeza donc Delisia abere.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Murakoze cyane mwese Imana ibahe umugisha.
Amashyi menshi cyane k'uyu mwana.
Nihaca iminsi nzovuga mumwongera amashyi menshi cyane. Imana iduhezagire uyu mwana. None rero reka